At least this daily is better than the average glow level. The game is just rated at 1.6 levels, much better than the average glow level. You got some players in those levels ready to create decent levels just for their. So first of all, it's my opinion. It's an opinion. You can't handle an opinion, you're a loser. It's not an unpopular opinion. A lot of people, agree that generic glow levels are not good. They're lazy, they're repetitive. And you're gonna be talking about the rating system when I said nothing that had to do with it whatsoever. Yeah, I think you just cannot handle my very popular opinion that the generic glow level is worse than like freaking 1.4 level, bro. Call me biased for being a sucker for old levels like 1.6, 1.7, 1.5, stuff like that. But you know, I'm not wrong.